What we have next is your magnet latch or the trident. It's both the same thing. It basically uses a magnet and you pull up. Basically, it's the safest one that you can use. It is the only pull code approved latch style. This is something you want to double check what you're doing as well, because you have two parts. And again, it's works by a magnet, okay? So this piece is going to go on the non-gate side. And then you have this piece here. So again, this is what it's going to look like when you're done, okay? I can't tell you how many times you do want to line this up for yourself beforehand, because again, at the end of the day, you're going to be tired. And what you're going to end up doing is putting this over here and this here. It will work, but it's just going to look a little ridiculous. Whether it's magnet latch or trident, it does come with keys for your wife. She'll feel much better. So you can lock these. They use the same key no matter what. So you'll get 2 sets in each one. Keep one on you. I would suggest keeping one on your key ring, because whenever you come out here, you're going to forget it. On this latch, there's 2 extra pieces I didn't show you yet. These go on here, okay? And same thing, you want to hold it up. And the way you're going to put these on, you have the little piece that goes to the top, slides right in, and a bigger piece at the bottom. The way you'll double check yourself is when everything's done, it's going to be sitting on here, and then we're going to screw in here as well as inside here, okay? So once you do that, you're going to be sliding this back on, and we're going to get that about flush where it needs to go. We're going to leave that alone, and now we're going to do this side. We're going to have this about there. Now once we're done, we're able to move this piece out, okay? So we have it about there. Once we have it secure, now similar to the other one where you pull this up, the only difference is there's a little screw in here. Now it does say in the directions, you definitely, when you're not used to doing this stuff all the time, you definitely want to use just a manual screwdriver. You do not want to use power for this, because you might end up stripping the bolt. So because this was on an angle, we did have to keep this gap a little bit wider than usual, but this is fine. So this latches properly as is now. So you just want to make sure everything works. So you want a slight gap here, like you see. You don't want it all the way touching, because when it, between the summer and the winter, this will expand and contract. So you just want a little bit of space for yourself. So now at this point, no one can pull this out, and like same thing, it's always going to be safe for you at this point.